Today we're here at the Women's Memorial and War Museum. I'll take you through a tour just now. Enjoy it, guys. I was really impressed with this memorial. They really did some effort in the last couple of years. It looks amazing. And it didn't cost me a cent. You only pay when you go into the museum itself. But the memorial itself is no cost at all. They just ask you some questions at the gate and then you can go in. They have a lovely picnic here as well. And at the bottom there's also a restaurant and a nice curio shop that you can also visit. I will definitely go more often now that I've seen this. Every time I get there, it looks better and better. The way they keep up the statues is just amazing. It's a rather big area, but you can have picnics, as I said, and do all sorts of things. Although there's not many trees, but there's enough to sit under. There's also some benches every now and then that you can sit on. Look at this old doll's house. Very nice. Obviously, this locomotive is not working anymore, but it's a real live locomotive. And there's an old cannon that they used in the war as well. I was really impressed with how beautiful this place is. Okay guys, till next time. Love you all, eh?